Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the ultrafine filter kit in GE dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a minute or two to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new ultrafine filter kit. The ultrafine filter kit is mounted on the top of the sump assembly. It filters water that circulates through the dishwasher. If the dishes coming out of the dishwasher are still dirty, the ultrafine filter should be checked and replaced if needed. To get to the part, we need to open the door. Roll out the lower dish rack, and then we can pick it up. To remove the ultrafine filter kit, we need to turn it counterclockwise to unlock it, and then we can pull it out. This is the old ultrafine filter kit next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. As you can see, there's two arrows here on the filter, and there's two arrows here on the fine filter here. So to lock that thing, we need to lower it down and then turn clockwise until the arrows will match. So now we can install the lower dish rack in, slide it in, and close the door. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.